Indian classical music is a rich art form that has developed over centuries. It is a blend of raga, tala, laya, and shruti, and is considered a soothing experience. Shiva Shiva Maniru is a Kannada classical song composed by Kanakadasaru about Lord Shiva. Now let's welcome these two young singers on the stage where they're going to perform this heartfelt song.
Somasandam Swanandakandam Kamashisham Kalyanadesham Somaskandam Swanandakandam Sundarangam Ashrayami Gangadarantam Gauri Sametam Shrungararupam Shri Somasutram Gangadarantam Gauri Sametam Guru Harupam Ashrayami Somaskandam Swanandakandam Kamashisham Kalyanadesham Somaskandam Swanandakandam Sundarangam Ashrayami Gangadarantam Gauri Sametam Shrungararupam Shri Somasutram Gangadarantam Gauri Sametam Guru Harupam Ashrayami Shiva Shiva Endiro Moor Jagadavaral Shiva Shiva Endiro Shiva 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 Endiro Moor Jagadavaral Shiva Shiva Endiro Agama Siddhanta Mulata Japaridu Shiva 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 ನಿಮ್ಮ ರೋಗದ ಮೂಲಕ ಕೇಳಿದ ಔಷಧವಿದು ಶಿವ 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 ಎನ್ನಿರೋ ಮೂರು ಜಗದವರೆಲ್ಲ ಶಿವ ಶಿವ ಎನ್ನಿರೋ ಗುರುಲಿಂಗ ಜಂಗಮವ ಅರಿಯಬೇಕಾದರೆ ಶಿವ 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 ಪರಮಾತ್ಮನ ನೀವು ತಿಳಿಯಬೇಕಾದರೆ ಶಿವ 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 ಪೃಥ್ವಿಗೆ ಸದ್ಗುರು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದರೆ ಶಿವ 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 ಆದಿಕೇಶವನ ಕೂಡಬೇಕಾದರೆ ಶಿವ 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 ಎನ್ನಿರೋ ಮೂರ ಜಗದವರೆಲ್ಲ ಶಿವ ಶಿವ ಎನ್ನಿರೋ ಶಿವ ಶಿವ ಎನ್ನಿರೋ
That was such an amazing performance. What are your guys' names and ages?
Anya Dwejo
How old are you?
7 11
And how long have you guys been singing for?
2 years maybe 10 years.
Let's give it up for these passionate singers.